Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1909, Reverend John Dawson was celebrated for 43 years of ministry at the First Baptist Church. Dawson was praised for his personality and strength of character, and was honored for his many contributions to the community and overseeing the construction of their new church. This week in 1920, Mrs. Merrill Proctor Ball registered as the first woman to vote in Williamsburg. Ball resided in the Peachy House on Duke of Gloucester Street and worked as a music teacher. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.